Idaho senior senator supports Coney Barrett's confirmation. Senator Mike Crapo is a member of the Senate Committee on the Judiciary. Today, he described Judge Amy Coney Barrett as overwhelmingly qualified and dedicated to interpreting the law as written. Crapo delivered his remarks during today's opening session of Judge Barrett's confirmation hearing. Crapo made note that judges are not policymakers, and they must be resolute in setting aside policy views that they may hold.
Should we not take Judge Barrett at her word? As a judge, Supreme Court or otherwise, she must be dedicated to interpreting the law as written with an unparalleled commitment to our Constitution. I've visited with her privately. I've reviewed her record. I have seen nothing that would indicate that she is not telling the truth when she says that is her view of how a judge should conduct herself.
Crapo called Judge Barrett's resume remarkable, saying she is a pioneer in the legal field. If confirmed, Judge Barrett will be the fifth woman to serve on the Supreme Court. The hearing will continue on Tuesday and Wednesday, with Crapo having an opportunity to question the judge. For the full text of Crapo's statement, just go to idahonews6.com.
Well, Idaho Democratic Senate candidate Paulette Jordan says the Republicans are jumping the gun. Republicans refused to accept President Obama's selection of Merrick Garland, claiming it was too close to an election. Many Democrats call the GOP hypocritical for pushing President Trump's election through just weeks before an election. Jordan says Republicans should stand by their words and wait.
That Americans should be able to decide on Election Day which presidential candidate they want to determine the makeup of the nation's highest court for years to come. This is a lifetime position that we should take very seriously. And I think that some partisan officials like my opponent, however, have already pledged their vote. So it's very disappointing.
Well, meanwhile, Republican Senator Jim Risch says the president and the Senate are just doing their jobs. He says the president took an oath to uphold the Constitution and carry out the duties of his office, which includes making a nomination to fill the vacant seat. But as history shows, when the Oval Office and the Senate are controlled by the same party, the nomination is likely to be confirmed.
There's no new ground being plowed here. You see a lot of people beating their breasts in righteous indignation, about it. But this is not new. It's happened 29 times before. And like I said, generally, when they're the same party, the nominee gets confirmed. Generally, when they're the opposite party, the person is declined, and that's that. And we don't know how this one's going to come out. I mean, we got hearings ahead of us, and we'll see where it goes.
Well, again, the hearings will continue tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, where Barrett will face public interrogation.